glasses on. Get my Pyrite. I don't know, I might be able to get that to work. A little closer. Put that right underneath there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go, there we go, there we go. Build that up. Ooh, there's another one. All right, I got two. Little one and a big one. Scoop that one over there. Gotta be real careful because these little ones. Let me show you what I got. I gotta be careful because these little bitty ones, I need to push something up against it in case the wind blows. They're so small that it could scatter it. All right, let me show you. I've got one right here, right there, and I've got one right up here. Try not to blow too hard because I don't want to blow this dust away, and I'm trying to get those larger ones to take the coal in case the wind blows. It won't blow them away. I had pyrite. Now you want to avoid having pieces of pyrite like this. Now it's okay if it's on your rock, but you really want this mixed in with quartz. So this is pyrite with, or a quartz with a pyrite vein in it. So these larger chunks are just going to break off, but you can also see the quartz crystals mixed in with it. You don't want to just buy iron pyrite from the store. That's not what you're looking for, and that's going to come in these cubes and it's just going to crumble in your hands. But what you want is pyrite, like a vein of pyrite inside quartz. And when you quartz, chert, so you take that pyrite, you strike it against something hard. So this has a hardness rating, I believe, of 7. So does chert and flint. And you can see there are pyrite veins in this. So I'd want a little bit more pyrite vein than that in my quartz. This was ideal. So I'm using more of the rougher parts of the pyrite against the quartz, and it'll throw a spark. And then I try to have something I can lay my chaga on so that I can scrape it up, put it all together. Let's see, has this one taken one? No, not yet. But I like to use tinfoil because then I can close off the air supply if I have a larger piece of chaga going, and that'll save my chaga. What I want to show is just those sparks that are coming off of this because it's hard to see in daylight. All right, so this is chert in Pyrite. Down here, maybe. Oh. Okay, so what I did on that is I just held it like it was a char cloth until I could catch a spark. Easier though to use the first method. So there I was holding the, let's see if I can get this. So I was holding the chaga and the quartz in one hand, and then I was taking the pyrite and striking it down, letting this hang over, and then the spark was landing. And then once the spark landed, then I blew on it until it expanded. Now it's going to go wide first before it goes deep. And so all of this was fluffed up. So I had taken my saw blade and scratched it up so it wasn't just broken in half. So like you can see, this one didn't work for me because it wasn't roughed up. But I took my saw blade and kind of roughed this one up so it had a lot of surface area, a lot of fluffy material to catch a spark. And I had to do that a couple different times, and that worked too. So the hardest part for me is finding the ideal piece of pyrite.